guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing Airplane with Pet Shop.
Inspired by LPS Emily. I don't think she's that active. She only made one video, I think in 2021. But, okay.
Anyways, let's just get started.
So I think we are
Now you guys, I've been messing up words in some of my videos. Sorry about that. I just like to be silly in my videos. And you guys are probably wondering, do you guys know the Among Us Pet Shop? How I turn the lights out is you see our camera, our good lighting? We turn that out, and then we take our hands, put it over the camera, and then we turn it back on, and then take our hand out. Anyways, let's just do it. Okay, who's driving the plane? You are. Okay, you're the food server. Does any of the families have food? This family has a bone. That's food. Or is that food that they brought with them?
Yeah.
Or did they just order it from the airplane person?
You need to move. I can't. The lamp's in the way. And this house. We're going to Florida.
And we're already going on on airplane 2.
Tokyo. Actually, no, they're going to China.
Okay, but they'll have to be different people.
I swear, if there isn't any good TV shows on, I swear if SpongeBob is not on the TV, I swear I'm going to throw a tantrum. How do you have to?
You have to move.
Excuse me, security guard. Yes, do you have SpongeBob on your TV? Apparently no, but why? I guess she said she's going to throw a tantrum if you don't add it. Okay, I'll try my best to add it. Okay.
Rose Gold, you'll have to move more.
Okay. But I can't because things are in the way.
Move them.
Plus, there's a Coke and I don't want to get spilled. I don't want it to get spilled and get blamed.
Then move it somewhere else.
But I don't know.
Hand it to me.
Is this yours?
It was, but it's disgusting.
Okay, it's added.
Okay, this airplane flight. Okay, the airplane is lifting up now. Oh wait, just a few more hours. Sorry. When are we gonna be there? When are we gonna be there? Seriously. When are we gonna be there? Seriously, please. Don't tell me it's gonna take another 85 more hours.
Oh, it isn't, you selfish head.
Huh. I just wanna go. What's your name?
My name's Allie.
My name's Dana.
It's taking so long. When are we going to go?
I don't know.
It's taking off. I'm gonna play my iPad. plays Collie Block on Roblox.
Meanwhile,
This is boring. I'm gonna play Floor Lava.
yeah, the flight, you guys, excuse me. There's gonna be 18 more hours.
What? I guess
So it's gonna have to take 2 more days.
But it's going to take so long.
Actually, 80 more hours, so 14 more days. Sorry.
Really? I guess I got on this plane for nothing. Just so I could go to Florida.
Sorry, Florida's a long flight when you're in the UK. I'm sorry, miss, but...
It's fine. I'm gonna play Minecraft.
You guys are probably wondering what it's a toe because I don't feel like holding the camera a lot.
The camera.
I don't like to hold the camera, and it's not good camera thing when it's like this. And then I can barely move. Then I'll need more room. Like right now, I need room.
Then scooch the thing.
So we need a camera person. I don't want to be the camera person.
I don't either.
So we need a camera person, but who? Okay, you guys, I'll be right back. She's gonna act. Rose Gold's gonna act.
This is taking like 80 hours.
This is like taking 80 hours. Like, come on. 14 more days only. Loser. Hey, would you make your baby calm down?
I'm so sorry. I'm afraid I can't do that. Those bags were hers.
I know.
These 2 bags were hers. My baby! You threw her out of the plane! You selfish.
Back, loser.
You selfish brat. I hate you. No, they didn't get thrown out.
Nest with my baby one more time. Nest with me one more time.
It's her computer blanket.
Who's her?
Yeah.
Well, our bags are too big. You stink. Hey! Why do I stink?
Hey, do you mind scooching over a little bit? Yeah, I don't mind.
You guys never mind, they're not here. The person who I was thinking of. Number 2, we'll have to try to find the cameraman. Girl or man. But if we can't find one, the person who's playing as Star, or whatever her name is, well, her name in Among Us is Star. But the brown dog, you know, the girl that made the washing bracelets and Pop and, oh wait, that video is not released yet, and made the other video, she'll have to be the camera girl.
Oh, but what if I want to be in it and it sounds really cool?
Then you can be in the third one.
Okay. I'm going to put my makeup
You guys,
on.
I might have to upload another part, but you're almost at Florida, don't worry.
I'm going to put my makeup on.
2 more minutes.
I'm going to put my makeup on.
You guys, just 2 more hours.
I'm going to put my makeup on.
Just 2 more hours of the flight.
Okay, I'm putting my makeup on because I didn't have time to.
Oh.
I'm done putting my makeup on.
Hello, is there anything that you guys would like to eat?
Oh, do you have any Animal Jam soda? Grape flavored?
Let me check.
Stand up real quick. Stand up real quick.
Oh, yes. Would you like it poured in a cup or not poured in a cup?
Pour it in a cup, please.
Here you go, miss.
Thank you.
Sorry, but we didn't have any, so we had to put Sprite.
Oh, it's fine. Do you have any food?
Yes, what would you like?
Oh, do you have a sundae?
Yeah, but that's not till another hour. So.
Oh, do you have an apple?
Yeah. Would you like any milk to go with it?
No.
Okay. Here you go.
I would just like pizza, please.
Pizza. Miss, sorry, we're out of food after this pizza. All we will have is a dog bone and milk and a sundae, so.
Well, I would like
You
to get
guys-
the sundae because I'm VIP.
Here.
Thank you. I want to give it to her. Thank you. Want a bite? Sure.
Now, does any of you want some milk and a dog bone?
No,
Oh,
we're good.
me. Okay, miss, calm down.
I swear if they don't have anything else on TV, I'm going to throw a tantrum. I'm going to throw a tantrum if they don't have anything
Hey,
else going
miss,
on
I
TV.
can hear you. I'm gonna go check.
That's the security guard who can also put stuff on TV.
Hello, security guard. Do you have anything besides SpongeBob, like any offer, or Rocco's Modern Life or anything?
I want Rocco's Modern Life on TV now.
Would you like anything else? Like for later to watch?
No. All I want is Rocco's Modern Life.
Hello, miss, do you have Rocco's Modern Life? Put it on now because I don't want to hear someone throwing a tantrum. Sorry, we don't have Rocco's Modern Life DVD. I'm sorry, we can't put that on. She said she can't put it on. Hey. You can watch it on my iPad. You can watch it on my iPad. You can watch it on my... Hey, you can watch it... Hey. Kelsey, calm down for a minute.
Yeah.
Hey, you can watch it on my iPad.
Wait, you said my real name. Wait, remember?